Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your internship opportunities with InternMatch, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of protecting your internship opportunities. Research InternMatch to familiarize yourself with its features. Create a profile on the InternMatch platform. Use a professional email address to register and set up notifications. Fill out your profile with accurate information about your education and skills. Add a professional photo to make your profile stand out. Tailor your resume specifically for internship applications. Highlight relevant coursework, projects, and any prior experience. Activate privacy settings to control who can view your profile. Regularly check and update your profile to keep it current. Connect with mentors or peers within the InternMatch community. Utilize the resource section for tips on resume writing and interview techniques. Regularly apply for internships that align with your career goals. Monitor application deadlines to ensure timely submissions. Follow up with any applications you submit to show your continued interest. Keep track of your applications in a spreadsheet for better organization. Stay engaged with InternMatch's webinars or events to enhance your skills. Seek feedback on your profile from peers or mentors to improve it. Be proactive in networking with professionals in your field of interest. Utilize the feedback you receive to make necessary adjustments to your profile. Remember to be patient as you navigate the internship application process. Stay positive and keep applying until you find the right match. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.